Last release of the year, and we have a massive update for you. So let's dive straight in. The first thing we released is the Chrome extension with Atarim AI baked into it. That means that you can now collaborate on any page with the AI directly in the website itself by having the Chrome extension installed. So who is this for? Internal team members. These are people that use Atarim on a daily, weekly basis. No issues when it comes to scraping or screenshots or logged in experiences. That eliminates all of these challenges. Much more accurate responses from the AI because we can leverage things at the browser level compared to scraping the website, bringing it over to our site and so on. And so let's let it run in the meantime in the background here, as it will scan the whole element here. So you can see that the screenshots are kind of going in and out. This is as we are grabbing screenshots exactly as you see them, plus of course tablet and mobile view in the background, so that you have much more connectivity to what the AI can experience as you're working with it together. Now, what happens with clients and team members? If you share the link with them, it will revert to the URL experience where we scrape the website. Still gonna work, of course, but you want to make sure that if it's a logged in experience or anything that is locked at the browser level, then for the internal team you have the Chrome extension, and for general use, if you are working externally, then that will be the next thing that I will show you here with the WordPress plugin and the new script also released. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you how to access some of these stuff. As you add a website, we will ask you to install the Chrome extension. Very much highly recommended that you do that. You're going to get a much better, cleaner, slicker experience. This URL experience is good for fallbacks and for quick feedback on public pages, but anything beyond that, you want to revert to the deeper collaboration methods that we have available. One is the Chrome extension, again, for internal team members, people that work on a daily and weekly basis inside Atarim. And the other two are the WordPress plugin and the custom script. If you click on this area, you'll be able to either go and download the plugin. It's available on the WordPress repo, or you can drop in the URL here and it will ask you to install it on the website and connect the website directly onto here as well. And the other method is brand new, is the script, and that allows you to collaborate in the same way that you would on a WordPress website inside Shopify, Webflow, Wix, Lovable, and anything really custom code that you want to drop in a script and have those collaboration abilities baked in. Let's see an example of that. So just for the example, I have a website here, a WordPress website, and I'm just going to go to the URL and add collab equals true. This will now enable the collaboration on this page. So as we share this with others, they don't need to be logged into WordPress or anything else in this way, as long as they have collab equals true in the query string, and as long as you made sure that the access is public. Anyone with a link can access the page. If you want to restrict, you can also do that, but you want to invite people over, and then it will basically ask them to log in to check if they're invited, or most likely it's going to remember them from the previous time that they logged in. One more thing that was highly requested when it comes to the other experiences is the tablet and the mobile view, not only on WordPress, but also on the Chrome extension, and that is now brought in. And at the same time, we released one of the more requested features, which was comment reactions. Now, not only that you can leave those reactions for every comment that is out there, if you're leaving them to the AI, this is going to allow us to understand the effectiveness of the responses. So if you see something you like that was generated by any of the inner circle agents like Pixel here, make sure that you give them a nice like or dislike so that we can have a look and make sure that things get better and better and better over time. So if you want to learn a little bit more about what's going on, go to labs.atarim.io. You can suggest features, check out the roadmap. This is going to be updated to 2026 soon, and you can see what is new with this release. Install the plugins, get all of the activities in there, a bunch of bug fixes as we're wrapping up for the year, and there's a lot of exciting things also coming up next year. One of the more exciting bits there is the Figma integration that already exists, but bringing the AI into there along with our Figma plugin that is pending their approval. So that's coming very, very soon. A lot of exciting stuff. Have a great end of the year. Happy holidays to everyone, and I'll see you in 2026.